We have seen line and polyline in previous training lecture. Today we will see circle, polar grid, then what is O snap, okay, and other things. Now we have, in last lecture I have told you that these are 4 segment and this rectangle made by polyline. Okay, we have just explode it using explode command, and explode command you can find here. Okay, now I'll tell you how selection is work. Just click the mouse and drag from right to left and see the object will selected only if it is fully covered. For example, I am selecting it and delete. You can just use the delete button. For example, for this line, just click the mouse and drag it. It is not selected, okay, until it is fully covered. It is selected, delete. You can use the Ctrl Z. Now second selection, just click here and drag the mouse from right to left, left to right and right to left. Yeah, now you can see if you are crossing it, just a part of it will get selected. Understand how it is work? Yeah, fully selection and just crossing, okay, and just delete it. This is how the selection is work. Now this is a different type of circle. First I'll explain you the center radius and center diameter. So just click the center. Now here also you can find a different circle types like 3.2 point tan radius. Okay, for example here we have 2.3 point tan radius and tan. This all I will explain, but as per the requirement and the application of it. Okay, first of all we'll see center radius circle. Specify the center. You can see the command in command line. Specify the center point of the circle. Specify the center and give the radius. I need 30. It is 30 feet. Okay, 30 feet circle, and give the dimension. Go here, use the radius. Select it and just close it for now and select it. This is diameter, radius, and if you want to place a diameter, then give to that diameter. Okay, 60 feet is a diameter and radius is a 30 feet. Okay, now I'll explain this ortho mode. If you take a line and keep this ortho mode on, I'll make it off. Oh snap, it is creating a very. Take a line, give the first point and see my line is placing only horizontal and vertical mode. Why it is happening? It is happening because of the ortho mode. F8 is a function key for it. Okay, you can just, now if you want to create a straight line object, just use ortho mode. Place the dimension 10 feet, then give another direction 45 feet, then I need upward 30 feet, then horizontal 50 feet, then again how it is 30 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet, and close it. Now while closing, my O snap is off, so I'll make it on and close out here. Again my grid is